bring them to your legs straight. So what you do, you push your butts back and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Okay, that's good, guys.
Should I be feeling discomfort on my back?
If you feel discomfort with your back, it means you're not doing the right thing.
I thought
Right.
so.
I think you are straining your back a lot. So what you should do, you just take it slow, you push your butt back, and then you come up.
Okay, I
You
got
don't
that.
need to push your back in, okay? So curve your arms, take it sit up to somewhere there. Curve your
Should
arms.
they be straight?
No, they shouldn't.
There.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, strong, 7,
This is hot.
8, 9, 10.
Put this hand in front. There. Now raise up your foot to 45 degrees there. Ready? Now take it down and up. Let's go. 1, up and down. That's 2, yes. 3, up to 45 degrees. 4, 5, 6, 7, give me 8, 9. Make sure your body is completely straight, 180 degrees on the floor. Okay? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Viewers at home, I can see you. I said you hold it up your foot, okay? Remember, it's 45 degrees from the floor. Sawa, shikilia hapo. Don't even make a move at all, okay? Hold it there for the 10 count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just turn and the other side. Remember, you have to do both sides. Don't do one side, okay? Side moja inaweza konda iache ingine kama imenona. Ready? Haya, we start. Up and down, we go. 1, that's 2, 3, give me 4, 5, 6. Are you doing it? 7, 8. No rigging. Come on. 9. Aya. 10 more. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Ouch. It's burning. 1. You only move your leg, okay? 2. I say towards the ceiling. 3. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me 8, 9, and change. The other foot we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, we start. Okay, 1, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at him. 7, he's struggling here. 8, come on. 1, it has to be the sides. 2, yes, that's right. 3, good job. 4, stop struggling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's change. Like this position. Ready? Higher, lift yourself up. Then now we go. 1, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lift, 6, 7, someplace, somewhere is burning, I know. 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called hips and glutes, okay? That's what we are working on today. For us to stretch. Now, put your left foot like this. Put your right foot straight like that. Now, spread that leg. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Pelega kapsa, kando, kando, pelega kapsa. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Higher. Not yet. Go. Okay, now, I want you to lie on your back. Lie on your back Hey, your elbows down, elbows down. Aya, lala kwa mgongo kabisa, enda chini. Yeah, this is right, this is right. Lala chini kabisa. Yeah, hold it there. That's 1, 2, 3. Bring your right foot hand up, right hand up. The left one, left underneath the right thigh. Now let's reach the other side. Reach down. Good job. We go. Stretch. 1, 2, 3.